The first step in the disc mastering process is glass preparation. Glass is chemically cleaned and polished and used as a substrate for the photoresist recording media. The cleaned and polished glass is transferred to an inline mastering machine where the substrate is automatically prepared for recording. Photoresist is dispensed onto the surface of the substrate while the glass is rotated at a predetermined speed. The glass master is transferred to the laser beam recorder. This recorder uses the formatted digital linear tapes as source material for the information recorded onto the surface of the glass master. From there, it is rinsed with a developing solution, resulting in a series of digitally encoded pits into the surface of the photoresist. A thin film of conductive metal is then deposited onto the developed master. The metal-coated master is now lowered into a plating bath, and an electronic current is run through the plating solution, depositing a thin layer of nickel onto the surface of the master. The encoded layer of pits is now duplicated in the surface of the nickel layer, creating a stamper. The protected stamper is polished and accurately centered and punched. The stamper is ready for replication after being meticulously verified to make sure that it meets all manufacturing specifications.
At Panasonic, we have been researching and developing our own DVD technologies. Now we are offering the most technical advanced DVD services. We have the best quality in the world.
The process is nearly finished as the finished stamper is installed into the DVD mold and injected with a polycarbonate resin. As the melted plastic flows over the surface of the stamper, it cools and replicates the encoded layer of bumps and pits, exactly like those from the original master recording, forming a perfect copy of the encoded surface. The replica is transferred to a sputtering machine, where a reflective metal coating is deposited onto the encoded surface. The replica are now ready to be bonded together to form the DVD disc. Our bonding system dispenses an adhesive onto the surface of the replicas, placed face to face, encasing the encoded surface. The disc is subsequently placed under an ultraviolet light, where the adhesive is cured to permanently bond the two replicas together, forming a DVD disc. To ensure the quality of our product, our manufactured discs go through an extensive testing procedure to make sure all discs meet DVD Forum disc specifications. DVD discs are mechanically and electronically evaluated for their physical and signal qualities and performance. The physical disc is tested for tilt, birefringement, substrate thickness, and space layer thickness. Signal quality of the disc is measured for jitter, random errors, eccentricity, reflectivity, and HF and servo signals. DVD player compatibility testing is also performed to ensure the playability of the DVD disc. Printing of the DVD disc label begins in pre-press. Artwork provided by the client or designed by our in-house staff is laid out and set up to client specifications. The label on the disc can be printed using two different processes, offset printing and silk screen printing. Offset printing offers high-resolution picture disc reproduction using a 4-color process. The DVD discs are packaged onto a fully automated assembly line. Discs are always verified by code number before being authorized for loading into the appropriate case. The artwork each client desires is then assembled with a designated disc package. Inserts and stickers, as well as anti-theft devices, are also assembled. As the DVD package continues down the assembly line, it is shrink-wrapped and placed in the appropriate shipping carton. The cartons of finished discs are then loaded onto a pallet and delivered to a secure storage area to prepare for distribution and, ultimately, shipped to customers or distribution centers across the country and around the world.